like there is a bike swap today. It's pretty crowded at the University of Maine gym. Hi there.
Hey, how are you?
Pretty well.
Just
coming to work out at the gym. I was surprised to see all this activity
You
here.
didn't know what was going on, did you?
Missed the bike swaps.
Yeah.
It's always great.
Do you have a bike?
Mine got stolen.
Oh,
Yeah.
that sucks.
So I should have brought more cash with me. What's your name, by the way?
Jim.
Jim Michael.
Michael, glad to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I assume you're the artist behind all these.
Yeah. Well, I've never been called an artist. I've been called a lot of things, but artist is usually not one of them.
Pull it up like that.
Do that so you can get them out of the way. Pull that pin. Comes right off.
Nice. That's pretty slick. Probably you just salvaged all this stuff, or like where did you find it? This is all lobster paneling, or what?
Yeah, well, this is all lobster trap components. This is new wire. I bought the wire new, but people order them online. I have it with barnacles, which is used stuff, or without barnacles.
That's awesome.
That's what I sell it.
That's really cool.
So these are all without barnacles.
You don't mind that I'm recording? No. Okay. Jim, Michael again,
Michael,
just to say
good to meet
pleasure.
you. Well, hope you get a bike. Replace that other one.
Yeah, I should. Are they all just in the gym?
I never get out of my tent, so I don't know how.
Okay.
I guess you go up to the table.
Right there.
So, I'm gonna buy a bike.
So I decided to head out to Turner, Maine to check out Ricker Hill Orchards, and I believe their cider tasting room is right nearby. I did a social media audit for them, and I wanted to do some free video for them, see if they'll let me use my drone and maybe take some footage behind the scenes.
There's Steve, but I don't even know if Steve's going to do it, but he would have to be better able to tell you.
Just right back here at the intersection, I can go left.
Yeah, actually leave your car parked here, walk across. It's the building, the gray building with the apple up there.
Okay, awesome. What's your name, by the way?
Kyle.
Kyle Michael. Don't pull me, Bubba. Cool, so we just talked to Kyle in the tasting room. It's really nice in there. He said we got to come over here and talk to Steve at the farm stand, so we'll see what we can do. Really great location. Did it, Rufio. We got permission from our good man, Steve Mayhew. And all I gotta do is send him a copy of the footage. All right, so we're pulling over. We're gonna try to find the orchard. She said that they live back here too, so I'm gonna try to stay out of their hair. Wicked cool acres though. They looks like they have an awesome disc golf course. Wow. if I can get him anything to munch on. Maybe some of this grass. See if I can get my finger bit off. That's all I got. Sorry. Not very good at this. I knew somebody who had their finger bit off by a horse when they were a kid, so I have this skittishness about getting my finger bit off. I love that horse. All right, let's see if we can go over to the farm stand and get something to munch before our drive back. Well, I think that was overall a success, despite leaving feeling a little more confused, but it did give me an opportunity to start articulating what I'm trying to do, and that's something that if I don't practice it, it just spills out like verbal vomit. I got to introduce myself, I got to say that I wanted to make content for them that they could improve their strategy. So we're heading back to Portland, got about an hour drive in front of me. Gonna go home, might try to get some more footage before the day's done. The sunset will be coming soon. I should stay out here, look at this. Would have been a killer sunset over some of this water or the mountains back there. But I wanna get home, I don't wanna be out here at dark. How you doing, Bubba?